Good morning, class. This is Mr. Michael's class. In today's mathematics class, we're going to look at the topic bearing. Oh, I just remember today is 9/11. What a date. I believe we all know that's a story for another day. For history students, has always been a day, Tupac died this day. Osama bin Laden struck America on this day. That's a history class. But today's program, we are looking at bearing as a topic. So, all you need to know about bearing is for a start, you have to know we use it to measure. It's used when it comes to measuring direction, but you should know something about the first quadrant, second quadrant, the third quadrant, and all you need to know about these terms I've mentioned is the first quadrant, 0 to 90 degree. Here you have 91 to 180 degree. Here you have 181, and of course to 270 degree. And now where you have 271 to 360 degrees. As we all know, a circle is angle at the point, which is what I mean, um, 360 degrees. This is the starting point. Everybody must know about bearing. Okay, now, what I'm going to talk about now is the very beginning point of bearing is, uh, take for example, when I say, mm, if the bearing of A from B is 72 degrees. Now, what is the bearing of B to A? Here comes the question. Now, somebody will be like, what is this question all about? Well, there is no big deal, which is why I started with the quadrant. As you can see, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. All you need to know is to know where the quadrant fall. So, for a start, when it comes to bearing, don't waste your time. Just give it. And now in the solution aspect of this question, let's do justice to this question. Doing justice to the question, mathematics class. So just come to the center of your book and draw a cardinal point. We all know. Now, the first thing you should know is this: bearing is measured starting from the north. When you look at any direction, the cardinal point, the north is always up. See me? Okay, that's the north. So that is to say, bearing is measured from north. Now, that is, and it is also measured in a clockwise direction. When we talk about clockwise direction, all you need to know is the movement of the clock. I believe we all know that clock does not move from, this way like right going left. It's rather move from left going right way. So that is what you should first of all know. Bearing, you start measuring from the north and going north towards east, south, west, coming. That's the clockwise direction. Now, in this case, the very first thing you should do is to locate where 72-degree falls. As you can see, the quadrant, as I've listed, first, second, third, and fourth, you can see the 72-degree with 4 degrees. And as you can see it, when you see 72-degree, then that is to say, you take away. Please, this is not measured according to scale. Just take off this way. This is where 72-degree falls. Now, you see from here, you take your measurement here, you do your measurement. As you can see, the same thing here. Now, that is to say, bearing is measured starting from the not. And here comes the not. That is to say, here comes 72 degree. Not major dot. It's clear. So here comes your 72 degree. And then don't forget the question says if the bearing of A from B is 72 degree. From B, here comes our B, the bearing of A from B, and here comes our A. We have labeled it. Now that you've got it, what it means, this is the time that you're going to apply the circle theorem. Don't forget all those proofs. When you are doing, there is this proof that says um, alternate angles are what? Equal. What it means is what is here is the same thing as here, provided a straight line is maintained. This is on a straight line, this is on a straight line, and all things in the same mean accord. That in this case now, alternate angles are equal. What is now means this straight place is 72 degrees. Now that it is this way, so what am I trying to say here? In this case, this now that you have got to this stage, the next thing you are going to know is insist on my initial. Though I told you something, I told the class something. What will happen here is now bearing is measured starting from the north. Now we are looking for the what is the bearing of B from A not to corresponding preposition. What is the bearing of B from A? In this case, the bearing of B from A is equal to. In this case, all you need to do is from bearing of B from A, all you need to do now is from A to the lesser A, all you need to do now is bearing is measured starting from the north. In this case, what it means is starting from here until you join this line. Already you know the value, the degree from here to here. But what then is here to here? That is why I mentioned circle by the time I drew this line, I drew this first. You can see that this is a semicircle. And a semicircle, how many degrees are there in a semicircle? It is 180. So what it means is from the north to the south, where this line hits this one, is 180. So it's equal to 180 degrees, which is this line. Plus where it now joins this line, you can see 72 degrees. 72 degrees. And totally, this is as a mathematician, you don't need time to waste. 252 degrees. That is the bearing of B from A. That is the answer. So it depends on what the question is talking about. Sometimes it can pick up from here, sometimes from here, so depending on what is given here. So this is the very beginning and the foundation of bearing. But mind you that it depends on what number that pops up. That is what decides what should be used. So having done this, I've stopped here. For example, any other question will be treated later. And once more, this is Mr. Michael's class, and we live to see another class. But then,